Funding was not accessible within the late 80s and early 19 top Motorcycle Bun Mom Shirt 90s, which implies that just one new inception cohort was initiated between 1983 and 1993, i.e., the one in 1988. Lack of funding at the moment additionally affected the means to keep top Motorcycle Bun Mom Shirt, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. We proceeded as described within the following instance of the 2002 top Motorcycle Bun Mom Shirt. Graduates. 2 years after commencement. Commencement from medical college is adopted by a 2-year basis program entailing a number of specialty attachments, or rotations, after which docs enter a specialty coaching program. Residency, which generally lasts, within the case of hospital specialties, 6 years, or, within the case of basic observed household medication, 3 years. Year 2 outcomes. Due to this fact, COWL docs who are finishing their basis rotations and are about to begin their specialty coaching. Year 5 outcomes. COWL docs in specialty coaching are coming to the tip of it, within the case of household practitioners. And at last, other products.